Good day, welcome back to the Money Made Simple. Planning for retirement can feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to figuring out how much income you'll need to live comfortably. But don't worry, today we're breaking it all down. I'll show you exactly how to calculate your retirement income step by step. Let's get started. Calculating your retirement income doesn't have to be complicated. By following a few simple steps, you can get a clear picture of how much you'll need and where that money will come from. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Estimate your retirement expenses. Start by figuring out how much you'll spend each month in retirement. Think about housing, food, healthcare, transportation, and even leisure activities. A good rule of thumb is to plan for 70% to 80% of your pre-retirement income, but this can vary depending on your lifestyle. For example, if you currently spend $5,000 a month, you might aim for $3,500 to $4,000 in retirement. Don't forget to account for inflation. Prices will likely go up over time, so your money won't stretch as far as it does today. Step 2. Calculate your expected income sources. Next, add up all the income you expect to receive in retirement. This could include Social Security benefits, pension payments, withdrawals from retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, and any other sources like rental income or part-time work. Let's say you expect $1,500 a month from Social Security, $1,000 from a pension, and $1,500 from your 401k. That's a total of $4,000 a month. Compare this to your estimated expenses to see if you're on track. Step 3. Factor in taxes and withdrawals. Remember, some of your retirement income may be taxable. For example, withdrawals from a traditional 401k or IRA are usually taxed as ordinary income. Make sure to account for this when calculating how much you'll actually take home. If you withdraw $2,000 from your 401k in a year and you're in the 22% tax bracket, you'll owe $4,400 in taxes. That leaves you with $1,600 or $1,300 a month. Plan accordingly to avoid surprises. Step 4. Adjust your plan as needed. If there's a gap between your expected income and expenses, it's time to make adjustments. You might need to save more, work longer, or reduce your spending. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized plan to reach your goals. Calculating your retirement income might seem like a lot of work, but it's worth it to ensure you're prepared for the future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's planning for retirement. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on retirement, investing, and personal finance. Let us know in the comments, what's your biggest retirement question? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy planning.